Electrolysis. Electrolysis. All the problems in electrolysis can easily be solved bearing the following in mind. A. The number of moles of any substance liberated during electrolysis depends on the number of moles of electrons that passes through. B. 1 mole of electron equals to 1 Faraday of electricity. A is equals to 96,500 coulombs. C. Coulombs is equals to current in ampere times time in seconds. Of course, as in other chemical reactions, the correct equation of the reaction during electrolysis must be given. Example 1. Calculate the time required to deposit 1.6 gram of copper from copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 solution by passing a current of 0.50 ampere. Solution. Equation of reaction. Copper having 2 valencies will absorb 2 electrons to form neutral copper. From the equation, 2 moles of electron liberates 1 mole of copper. That is, 1 mole or 63.5 gram of copper is liberated by 2 moles of electron. Therefore, 1.6 gram of copper is liberated by 2 over 63.5 times 1.6 over 1 mole of copper. But 1 mole of electron is equals to 96,500 coulombs. 2 over 63.5 times 1.6 over 1 mole of electron, which is now equals to 96,500 over 1 times 2 over 63.5 times 1.6 over 1, which will give us 4,863 coulombs. Coulomb is equals to current in ampere times time in seconds. But current equals to 0.5 ampere. On substituting this, 4,863 coulomb equals to 0.50 times time, which is now equals to 4,000, making time the subject of the formula. Time will now equals to 4,863 divided by 1 times 1 over 0.5, which will now give us 9,726 seconds. Example 2. A solution of copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 is electrolyzed between copper electrode with a current of 0.04 ampere flowing for 30 minutes. Calculate the mass of copper deposited. Solution. Quality of electricity in coulombs is equals to current times time. Current is equals to 0.04 amp. Time is equals to 30 minutes times 60 to convert to seconds. Note that the time must be in seconds. Therefore, quality of electricity is equals to 0.04 times 30 times 60 coulombs, which will give us 72 coulombs. Equation of the reaction. Copper having 2 positive valency will absorb 2 electrons to form neutral copper. From the equation, 2 moles of electron react, that is 2 times 96,500 coulombs liberate 1 mole of copper. Therefore, 72 coulombs will be 1 over 2 times 96,500 times 72 over 1 mole of copper. But 1 mole of copper is equals to 63.5 gram. Therefore, mass of copper liberated is equals to 1 over 2 times 96,500 times 72 over 1 times 63.5 over 1. It gives 0.0237 grams. Example 3. How many Faraday of electricity are required to liberate by electrolysis? I. 9 gram of aluminium. II. 4 gram of oxygen. Question B. Calculate I. The volume of oxygen liberated by 9,650 coulombs of electricity. II. The number of coulombs required to liberate 32 grams of copper. Solution. Answer to question A. Equation of the reaction. Aluminium having 3 positive valency will absorb 3 electrons to form neutral aluminium. From the equation, 1 mole or 27 grams of aluminium is liberated by 3 moles of electrons. 1 mole or 27 grams of aluminium is liberated by 3 moles of electrons. Therefore, 9 grams of aluminium is liberated by 3 over 27 times 9 over 1 moles of electron. This is equal to 1 mole of electron or 1 Faraday of electricity, which now give us 96,500 coulombs. Answer to question B. Equation of the reaction. 2 moles of oxygen having 2 negative valency will discharge 4 electrons to form neutral oxygen. From the equation, 4 moles of electron liberate 1 mole of oxygen. Therefore, 4 grams of oxygen is liberated by 4 over 32 times 4 over 1 mole of electron, which is equals to half mole of electron or half Faraday of electricity. The answer to the question BI. The equation of the reaction. Oxygen, 2 moles of oxygen having 2 negative valency will discharge 4 electrons to form 1 neutral oxygen. From the equation, 4 moles of electron liberated 1 mole of oxygen. Since 4 moles of electron is equal to 4 times 96,500 coulombs, and 1 mole of oxygen occupies 22.4 dm cube, then it means that 4 times 96,500 coulombs liberated 22.4 dm cube of oxygen. 9,650 coulombs will liberate 22.4 over 4 times 96,500 times 9,650 over 1 dm cube of oxygen, which will give us 0.56 dm cube or 560 cm cube. Equation of the reaction. Copper having 2 positive valency will absorb 2 electrons to form neutral copper. From the equation, 2 moles of electrons liberated 1 mole of copper. Since 2 moles of electrons is equal to 2 times 96,500 coulombs and 1 mole of copper equals to 63.5 grams, then it means that 63.5 grams of copper needed 2 times 96,500 coulombs. 36 grams of copper needed 32 times 2 times 96,500 over 63.5 coulombs, which will give us 97,260 coulombs of electricity.